Igbo never negem taken a quam and we video choke on the name. I say for so many years, video getting a fonago keba. One time work a cool is to know for your belly come again, go bebaqua. Can you hold you that for so many years, over 1,655 Igbo youths Neifuna Southeast. 1,655 nka agotagolono na ha na-efu efu makwa ewu na mmadụ na-efu efu that there is no record of them anywhere. Ịchọ ha na hospital emanfu, achọ ha na ozu emanfu, achọ ha na prison emanfu. So where are they? That according to the report from years back, from many years back, because can they kuna too much naneno this very video is recording.
I'm just very happy that so many people are waking up to ask questions in southeastern Nigeria. Between 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 till now, so many Igbo youths are languishing in prisons. Not because they committed any offense. And the worst part of it is that they will take someone from from southeast, take the person very far away. Some of our youths are found in Kirikiri, Lagos, without any judgment. They were arrested in southeast, taken to Kirikiri, no court stay, nothing. They were kept there since 2016, 2017, 2018. Some of them were arrested. They were taken all the way from Enugu down to Jos, down to Meduguri. You arrested someone in the east without any court judgment, without any court stay. You take the person to Abuja, you hide him there. So many of them are already dead. So many of them are still alive. Go to prisons in Abuja, go to prisons in Lagos, go to prisons in Kaduna, Katsina and Co. You will find that there are many thousands of Igbo youth languishing in prisons there. What are the offense? Nothing. I'm telling you absolutely nothing. Go and make your own inquiry. Go and make your own research. I have recorded of over 1,600 something youths. This is not an accusation. I know what I'm telling you. They have killed all our youths. They don't buy all our youth finish. I'm saying this and nobody is talking. Thank God so many of you are not making research on your own. Thank God so many prominent men in Igbo land are now finding out. Go and make more research. I said this the other time, so many people thought I was accusing Nigerian government. Now you understand. Now you understand. I'm not a journalist, but I do investigation more than the journalists. What are the works of the journalists of this country? They are absolutely doing nothing. Gossiping up and down. Go and verify. Go and make research. Thousands of our youths who have done nothing, no court tell, no court judgment, are languishing in prison in Kirikiri, Lagos, Abuja, Kano, Katsina and Co. I'm voicing out so that the whole world may hear our voice. That Igbo youths, they are killing in thousands. They are numbers. What are our offense? Nothing. At least let there be court judgment. Let's just say that maybe court gave judgment on someone and said, oh yeah, take him to Sokoto, take him to Kaduna. This one, no court judgment, nothing. And we keep the person there for over 6 to 7, 8 years. Some of them are already. Go and make research. I have so many families complaining. Some of them are already. And Nigerian government later come back and say that we should join military. Which military are we going to join? Go and wake up those people here. Go and bring back our youth from prisons. After all, Boko Haram's bandits that you take to prison, you rehabilitate them and make them soldiers. Go and bring our youth from that prisons and make them soldiers too. As far as I'm concerned, I will campaign against any institution called military in Southeast. No Igbo youth should join the military. I'm still saying it till tomorrow. No Igbo youth should join the military. Let them go and bring back our youth. They have already killed. And let them also bring our youths in prisons, languishing there without any court judgment, without any court tale on them. Since how many years now? Some of them we are captured during time of NSAS. Some of them was captured during time of IPOB saga. Some of them was accused. And they are telling me to keep quiet. Keep quiet. For so long, so many bloggers, so many influencers in Southeast don't want to talk. But as I voiced out, as I keep on speaking, as I keep on writing, that was when everybody started reacting. Thank you very much for making your research. Make more research. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Nifugo. Now about that video 19 wakeme. You don't know how many years ago here. Now you just you onwege. Ebe na go 1,655 n'ifu kezi nke a na-agọrọ ọnụ. Makwa ya bụ 1000 something. You don't go that your your one room apartment. Itikata mmadụ n'ime ya. Maga onye kwụrụ nwanne ya kwụrụ onye kwụrụ nwanne ya. Itikata mmadụ na ọbụkwa na ha ede na la na just ị na-apaki ha ka esi apaki osisi. Mmadụ nọ karịa na that room. Akwa ndị dị ndụ ha nọ karịa bụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ seketọ ya at least ka atụta up to 500 na one room. Mana ndị kwụọtọ dị ndụ ese ka ịkwaba ha ihe akwata ha like 180 ma 200 na standard one room. Iwe mee ya na calculate ya wee gbago. Wụ mana a na-ekwu okwu mmadụ efu anụnwa. Ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ ka film because na I had go used to ogbugbu after singing Boko Haram gburu 200 ebe a mgbe 500. Ịmakwa the numbers ọ bụ. Asị gị na 200. Ịmakwa na mmadụ tu sikpọ ya na ị na-eme occasion iwe nwe 200 tables. Ịmakwa ụdị preparation iyi eme wee sie nri izu mmadụ 200. Wee sie nri izu ha ma mmiri ya ezu ha ma nke anụ ma nka. So isigodi ka igowe bottle water. So at approximately you go bottle water up to 20 packets. You give me no mmadụ 200 ka na-eme expect. Mana chezie mgbe mmadụ 200 ahụ times ya by 8. Uche ọma dị ya n'elu. Iwe amazia mmadụ one na-efu. So the precise time people started paying attention and being their brother's keeper. Many people are in prison today na Igbo they can't give account of. For them will go transfer her to obodo ọzọ. And when boss na news I say na onye a na-achọ since 1990 something. Na-enye ya different identity na prison. For over 20 years a na-achọ mmadụ achọ. With a different nwere ike ịbịa ihe na-achụ ya nwere ike ọnwa gị mana ị na-achụ ya with Okonkwo. Ije na prison ọ na Barnabas. Because now somebody somewhere, the drunk policeman, a drunk military man, entered a wrong name somewhere just to make sure that such thing for Hanaka. And when I push somebody in a police station, 80 in a prison on a cell, I transfer the policeman. Sometimes they forget about people. I transfer her to a boss. But he doesn't care. Igbo youths are missing. Nafia as a well-calculated plan. It's a well-calculated plan. Come on again and I reduce y in number. It's a well-calculated plan. Obu in documentary can the Argentina siwe we be natande siwe clear ndi ahuoji no na beha. Ima is a well-calculated plan. Follow ge wele kwano phone gi trace something in a documentary browse or check here. There's a well-calculated plan ke CMA. Amam potabia sentence unu ke wube no. Ana calculate na eme ya like that. Oya bito ajụjụ asị oke keke ha si we mona. Mana enwe ka ya si mee ya like the nyabi ha ajụ. So because learn to be your brother's keeper. If you see something, say something. Ekenekwa amon. God